In this video, I will be doing a review of the Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor by Xiaomi. So I got this device for about $40 and the package contents include an ultra small electric air inflator that will work with your sport balls, bikes, and even car tires. And it also comes with 3 additional accessories, one of them being a charging cable and 2 different types of valves that you can use, one of them being a needle adapter and the other one being for your bikes. As per the specifications, the device supports inflation pressure range anywhere between 3 to 150 psi. And the device is rated to work at temperatures between -10 to 45 centigrade. Something to keep note of if you are living in a really cold place, because there is no guarantee that this device will work if the temperature drops below -10. Now coming to the design of the device, it is quite small and the design reminds me a little bit of the iPod because of its click wheel interface, as you can see. To turn on the electric pump, what you'll need to do is turn this nozzle slightly and it will take the nozzle out, and as you can see, the device is now on, and right now the PSI is at 0. You might be noticing some flickering on the screen, but that is just because of the camera and not something on the device. Something interesting is that this device also features a flashlight, so if you press this button on the left, it turns on the flashlight that you can use when you are filling air pressure at nighttime. You can use the plus and the minus option for increasing or decreasing tire pressure. Then there is also another feature called preset configuration that comes with. So if you're looking to fill in air pressure of, let's say, your bike or a motorbike or car or a sports ball, you can just use the preset configurations and fill in air pressure on whichever product you're planning to do. Now, as per the claim on the website, you can use it to charge up to 8 tires with the device. However, that performance will vary. For the purpose of demonstration, I have a tire with me and I will be showing you guys if the device actually works properly, how accurate it is. So what I have in front of me is a deflated donut tire, and I'm just gonna measure the pressure on this tire using a digital pressure gauge. And as per the reading right now, it's at 28.8 psi. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the portable air inflator by Xiaomi, and I'm gonna connect it to my tire. Make sure that it's tight enough. And if you see now, you can actually see the tire pressure straight away. So it measures it at 29 psi, which is very close to 28.8 psi through my digital pressure gauge. Now I'm gonna set it to 60 psi, which is the recommended rating for this tire. And to turn it on, I have to press the middle button. So I'm gonna do that now. So it took the device about 10 minutes before it could get from 29 psi to 60 psi. And now what I'm going to do is use the digital tire pressure gauge that I have to see if it actually inflated the tire or not. So I'm gonna disconnect the device now. And Let's see how much the pressure is at now. And I did lose some air, but it's at 58 psi. So it looks like I just lost 2 psi while connecting the tire pressure gauge to measure the exact pressure. The Mi electric air pump can be useful for not only just measuring air pressure, but also filling air pressure as well. And it features a flashlight that you can use in case of emergencies. Since this is a battery powered device, make sure that you're charged at full at all times whenever you're carrying it with you. And important to note that the battery life of this device depends on what pressure you're filling in air at. So sometimes you might not get up to 8 tires being filled at full. I hope you found this video useful, and in case you're wondering what tire pressure gauge I used, it's the Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge to make sure that the measurements were correct and the tire actually inflated. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find this video useful.